Ever scrutinized your daily bread slice and wondered if you could make it healthier? Welcome to the world of oat bread, a culinary delight gaining popularity among health enthusiasts. This isn't just another health fad. Oat bread brings a unique twist to your traditional loaves, not just in taste but also in nutrition. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore what sets oat bread apart, its myriad health benefits, and even a simple recipe you can try at home. Stay tuned to discover why oat bread might just become your new favorite. So, what exactly is oat bread and how does it differ from your regular bread slice? Picture this, a bread that's packed with flavor and brimming with nutrients. That's oat bread for you. Unlike conventional bread types primarily made from refined wheat, oat bread is crafted from oats, often in a whole grain form. This simple switch in the main ingredient makes the world of a difference. Oats are a nutritional powerhouse. They're rich in fiber, a nutrient crucial for maintaining good digestive health. But that's not all. They are also teeming with essential nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and magnesium. This nutrient profile not only provides energy, but also promotes overall health. And the differences don't stop there. Oat bread typically has a slightly sweet, nutty flavor and a hearty texture. It's a bread that satisfies and nourishes in equal measure. Clearly, oat bread is more than just a tasty alternative. It's a health powerhouse. Now that you know what oat bread is, you might be wondering about its health benefits. Well, oat bread is a powerhouse of nutrition. It's been linked to heart health thanks to its soluble fiber, beta-glucan, which can lower cholesterol levels. It also promotes healthy digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for those managing diabetes. These benefits are not just claims. They're backed by numerous scientific studies and expert opinions. With such compelling health benefits, oat bread is indeed a loaf worth trying. Intrigued by oat bread? Here's a simple recipe to bake your own at home. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As it warms up, mix together 2 cups of rolled oats, a cup of whole wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, blend a cup of milk, a tablespoon of honey, and 2 eggs. Gradually combine the wet and dry ingredients, stirring until a dough forms. Shape your dough into a loaf and place it in a greased baking pan. Let it bake for about 45 minutes, or until the top turns a lovely golden brown. Keep in mind that you can tweak this recipe to suit your palate. Add in some dried fruits or nuts for a flavorful twist, or substitute the honey with maple syrup for a vegan alternative. With this easy recipe, you can now bake your own nutritious oat bread right in your kitchen. So, how can you incorporate oat bread into your daily meals? Well, oat bread is incredibly versatile. It can replace your typical whole wheat or white bread in sandwiches, or be used as a base for a hearty avocado toast at breakfast. For a light lunch, pair it with a bowl of your favorite soup. You can even create delectable croutons for salads or a rustic bread pudding for dessert. With these tips, integrating oat bread into your diet will be a breeze. To wrap things up, let's summarize the key points about oat bread. This grain-rich bread stands apart from traditional loaves with its unique composition and health benefits. It's a powerhouse of nutrients, promoting heart health, aiding digestion, and regulating blood sugar levels. The simplicity of our oat bread recipe makes it an easy, wholesome addition to your kitchen repertoire. Why not try baking a loaf at home? Remember, a healthier diet starts with small changes like switching to oat bread. Happy baking!